What's up, YouTube? What's going on, fellas? Here's my 450 Pro. I am rebuilding, taking it apart, making some changes. I'm gonna take the servos out and put some better servos. Try to make it a little better than my regular 450 that's gonna go in the Hue 500E. I gotta take that outside for its first flight. It's made in flight. I did the spool up indoors, but didn't put it on video. And my 500. Man, the battery had issues, so I got a new battery for it, so that's back in the game. Got that taken care of. I need a new canopy for it. Tired of the EXI canopy. And then there is the 550. I had to put it together. Hobby King still hasn't sent me my new canopy for it. As you can see, it's broken. But I had to put it together just to see how big it was compared to the 500. And let me tell you, I'm really impressed with the hardware the Hobby King sent. This head is solid. This is actually a really good head. They upgraded a lot of stuff. The anti-rotation bracket is carbon fiber and metal. So I'm loving that. And the tail section is pretty much the same as the Align 500 one. So I really like this setup. They took the liberty of upgrading for me. So I'm impressed with this 550. Can't wait to get the electronics for it. But again, that won't be till spring, so it is massive compared to this 500. I'm really impressed. Over here, this is my little junk pile of crap that has gone bad or just was crap. It's my little garbage pile, cheap servos and everything it took to learn to fly at a really cheap cost. But I do want to point out, this is the EXI tail boom. It came with the 500 kit. And this is their tail section that they give to you. I'm going to tell you that this is absolutely a piece of junk. The Align tail boom, you notice there's this notch here at the end, and when the head goes on, or not the head but the tail piece, there's a pin that goes in that hole to keeps it from going forward, back, up and down. But the EXI version doesn't have that. So what happens is it relies on this, get this in camera here, relies on this screw to tighten this whole piece up, and that doesn't cut it. So not only did they send me this to go with it, but it doesn't fit, so this was a waste, because this would be what goes in here to stop it from spinning or moving in any direction. But as you can see, there's no place for that to go. So this is garbage as far as I'm concerned, this entire setup. So if you buy any EXI 500, get rid of this tail boom and tail section ASAP, because it's a piece of junk.